Everybody's got a day when the sun stays away, yeah. The weeping endures for a night, joy comes right in the morning.
You ever heard of this brand? It hydrates. Yeah, it's very... Really? It has vitamin E. I just like that about it.
Ike Baba.
Right.
Ike Baba.
Ah.
I found a guy. Get away. Okay. You remember that cream where I tell you that time, say you get one customer, we come my shop, we come find them, but I no get them.
I remember.
But you talk say you get the plug. I found the cream don't they? Because my customer now did that shop and they asked for the cream.
Yeah, the cream there, but he say you don't come collect them.
If I don't come collect, I go come here, come they ask you about the cream. Oga, how much did they sell the cream like this?
Well, the market price now 25K. But based on say you know my guy, I go run out for you for 23K.
Yeah, give me this thing 20,000. We'll run them as we run them as guys now. 20,000.
Okay, see, I drug him. I shall they pick up for road. Make I sell and give you 20,000. 23K last. If you want buy, you buy.
Onyoshi. That's what they do. Now we they talk money matter. You don't forget say I be your guy. Huh? Once money enter, you go serious.
23K last.
I don't hear you. Bring the cream. 23,000. I go give you. Bring that.
No, you did talk now. Must be now. Oh yeah, man.
Go now. My customer had the wait. Sharp. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
This ingredient. I like externals.
Hey.
This is not bad.
Hey.
Excuse me?
Jehovah na pray ike. Baby girl. Hi. Why you go find like this? Only you find like 10 people. Can you find amazing? Huh? My humble name is Nonso.
Are you crazy? No. Are you stupid? Like, are you actually a crazy person? No, I need to know. How dare you just walk into the place and touch me? Where do you know me from? No, do I look like your type? Is that how you go around touching people? Are you mad? Don't you ever try that again. Are you hearing me?
Hey, excuse me, guy. We're just here to buy some things and leave, so watch what you say.
My man.
I didn't know.
See your cream now.
Don't try that nonsense again.
Why you can't exchange words with my customer now? What did they happen for you?
I know I exchange words with your customer, my brother. Manike Bobo. You know, tell me say you get this kind, beautiful customers for here. One well endowed and loaded. Boy, you know the kind things why they like now. I know if you see something where I like, keep quiet. And the kind things why they like with this. And the kind person why I want marry. In fact, now this particular girl, now I want marry. So.
You are mad. I know that you're not talking to me. No, it can't be me you're talking to. Have you seen yourself? Do I look like your type? Look, I am warning you. One more rubbish from that mouth of yours, you won't like what I'll do to you. But try me. No, just try me. Since you think you are mad, try me.
No, sir. She customer dey your shop. Customer they wait for you for shop, abi? I can't they go. I don't give you the cream. Go sell and give you.
Ikenna, you're supposed to understand what's at it.
There's nothing to understand. Carry the cream, go sell, give customer.
Okay, please, I beg, attend to me. I need to leave this place.
Go now. You want to market?
You do that. I love you. I love you so much.
You are mad. You are very stupid.
Ladies.
Please, I beg.
I am so sorry for the embarrassment. That guy na my friend. Even get your own shop around this market. Now why if you come this place? Make una no vex.
Imagine a local store owner standing up to me. Oh, he's mad. Let him try. No, there can never be a next time, please. What's my bill?
This is 30,000 naira.
What's the bank?
Access Bank.
Hey, baby. I'm done. Shall we?
What kind of stupid dressing is this? Are you foolish? Why you always act like a money misroad? Huh?
Baby, you don't like what I'm wearing?
I don't like what you're wearing. I told you I'm taking you out to meet some of my friends and you're dressed like you're going for shopping. Don't you know how to look sophisticated? Huh? I spend a lot of money on you. It's just like I'm wasting my time. It's like I'm beating a baboon. No progress, just the same thing.
Babe, why would you use such word on me?
Because I'm the one paying all the bills. So why are you scared to spend the money? Why? I picked you up from the gutter. I cleaned you up. Yet, I noticed everything I've done is a waste of time. Your mentality is still the same.
Please, babe, what do you want me to do?
That's what I'm saying. No matter how you train a baboon, it will never take its eyes off the tree. You are just a monkey by extension. What do you expect me to do? To come in there and dress you up? Huh? My friend, just get lost. Get inside there, dress up and come out like somebody's girlfriend. Not like you're here to clean my neighbor's compound. Get lost!
No, so? What happened? Your face not just there bright since we come back from shop.
Boy.
What's the problem?
How my mind won't take day here. But tell me, how my mind won't take day here when I don't see my pino. My assam pity one, yo.
Your pino. Who be your pino? Oh. Guy, don't tell me say you still think about that girl what we see for shop.
No, nah. Now you I won't think of. If I don't think about them, who I won't think about? Now you. This guy said that.
Wait. You see that girl's skin? You look that girl body as if fresh. How you want to marry that kind of girl? No, where you want from doing? Guy, concentrate on yourself. Concentrate.
Chai. No, so atala fufu. No, so itala fufu boy. Bia, you can now. What did they try to tell me now? Be say, Moa, bononso. Me we be nonso, onye memme. Iho kuluko na eme. You they try to tell me say I no go fit marry that girl.
Onye memme we not get shishi. You go nikiji.
Yeah?
Just the answer onye memme. How much do you have?
I see finish the course of this things.
See, make I tell you, bro. Your business still a struggle. So I don't know where you want from marry that girl. You no get money. Your parents still they call you, make you send money, give them. Today your mama go call you, make you send money for Maggie. Tomorrow your sister go call you, make you send money for sanitary pad. So if you spend all this kind of money, now where you want take, how you want to gather the money, where you want to take marry that kind of girl? I don't advise you. Concentrate. You see, as you do like this, manage yourself as you see yourself. So,
Boy, couple that thing, boy. Couple that thing where they talk. This thing where you just they talk, man, cho. You see, now the difference between me and you be that. I don't tell you before. Mindset. Your mindset has changed. The difference between the both of us be say, non so onye meme. Anytime where I see waiting I like. Boy, as a hunter where I be, sharpshooter, I go target him like this. Wah! I must get my target. I know the one you guy.
boy, I don't target them. So because of woman, you won't go rob CBN. No, now what you want try and make me understand. You won't go rob bank because of woman.
Boy, you know they want me. You know, so I know if you put my hand for bad thing. If I put my hand for bad thing, it no go work for me. Don't be today matter.
Yeah.
Man, I'll wait for that girl. You see that girl? Bet me. I go marry her.
Come put your hand for my face.
Hiya, this boy don't see me finish.
This
boy don't see me
finish.
finish.
With the drink. Even after this, Karina, we never know what you want chop the next day.
You see, now that thing why they tell you. Mindset. You they see Gary. You know wetin I dey see?
Waiting.
Fried rice and chicken.
Okay. No let me go chop this fried rice and chicken.
My brother,
Come on there.
my brother, easy
You see,
yourself.
but you don't pour this in
No
front of me.
verse, no verse, no verse. See, let me tell you, the fact say we dey drink garri no mean say na garri we dey drink.
My name,
Yeah?
I said to the hustle for Gary.
The fact say we dey drink, now you dey see garri, me I dey see fried rice like this. Yeah?
Hey, it's morning. You need to wake up. Are you okay? Sorry, we always go out for a walk every Saturday mornings. So, are we going, or would you rather we go to the gym?
To lose what? To lose what? My life? Because as it looks right now, there's nothing left of it. Kings treats me like a complete idiot. He treats me like a fool. He sees me like trash.
Hey, I'm sorry. It's because you're dependent on him. Like, do you have a job? No. This house is the one that pays for it. Even everything you have, the clothes you're putting on, is the one that pays for them. So, I feel like you just have to ignore the insults and live life, because this guy is willing to give you the whole world.
And that gives him the right to talk me down every chance he gets, to insult me at every given opportunity. That gives him the right to treat me with no empathy. I have blood flowing through my veins too. Was it a crime that I fell in love with a rich man?
You know you can't get everything you want. It's either you have a rich man that is providing but treats you like trash, or get yourself a poor man that is caring, loving, but can't provide.
I guess this is my life forever, right? No, I guess I have to deal with this forever. It really breaks my heart. It hurts me so bad to see that. I'm not getting the love that I deserve. I'm not getting the love that I give.
You know, this guy gives you everything that you can't give yourself. So you just have to stick by him. Men like kings will never give you money to start a business. They'd rather give you their credit card so that you can just buy everything you feel like. But they will never give you money or just put money in your account. Because you know, if you have your own money, you'll have your stance. And you'll challenge him. So, I don't know. You just have to stick with him, because what are we going to do?
Life sucks.
Guy, wahala don't they call you? Na problem they call you so. I know some money she won't ask you. Answer your call.
This early morning, eh? Sorry, John. I think this woman they call me this early morning for now. Hello, Mama.
Chupunonso, my son. How are you?
I'm fine. How you doing? How everybody for us?
Everybody do. Your brothers and your sisters, they say they have not heard from you. You were supposed to send us money. What happened?
Nothing happened. I go send money this evening. Don't worry.
Everybody need money in this house to do one or two things. Your brother need money and your sister need money. So, please, Nwam, if you're sending the money this evening, try and add extra 50,000 naira.
Eh?
So the money can be enough for what you want to do.
Mama, you say waiting. Nah, Mama, I don't understand though. I don't understand. Where una think say they get this money from? Bikonu. Una think say they plug money from tree? No, now make una connect straw for my body suck my blood. What kind of thing be this now?
I know, but 200,000 naira. If your sister take money for her training, and your brother take the one for his transport, I buy foodstuff for this house. Nothing will remain inside the money.
Mama, but I know if they do this kind of thing now. 200,000. Last week I just send you 200,000. This week I want send you 250,000 now. Now so I want to send you 200 plus every week. No, things that they get this money from. My business they suffer. My business they bleed. And where does it make go? I don't get money. I go die, yo.
God forbid. Your business will not go down in Jesus' name. Please try, you hear? I will be waiting for the money this evening. You know you are the first son of this family, and your father is no more. Biko Nwam. Bambo, oh.
I don't hear, Biko. Bye. All these things be all this family. Person go get family, go get problem, join them. Can't walla be all this rubbish.
Wait. Did I hear extra 50k?
Nah.
I mean they get ear problem.
No, guys see me. 50k on top 200k where I want send for them. 250k. I don't know where these people think they plug money from for this Lagos. Even like say they say as person dey Lagos, he don't dey heaven. What kind of walla be this one? Wow. I understand what she dey talk, Sha. She don't break am down for me. They need money for house. Everybody need money. But my business they suffer now. Wetin I go do? My business no they do well.
Also, your business no they do well. No be because the money no dey inside. And because of all these expenses where you dey do. All these careless expenses where you dey do, now they run your business down. Last week, you sent 200,000. Today, you're sending another 200,000. And I'm sure that next week, they go call you again. So how you want to take save money? Why your business no go suffer? This knicker where you wear now, how many times you don't wear them this week? You never reach 4 times. No, they look me like that. Not me asking for 200k. No transfer the aggression come my side. I'm only being factual. This knicker where you wear now, how many times you don't wear them this week? You never reach 4 times. The same thing last week. You never even fit spend money on yourself. Everything na family. But look after yourself.
Oga, Ikenna, mind as they talk. They hear me so. Now my family they talk about. Forget how they complain. Now my family you they talk about like this. Oga, I get 2 sisters. I get 1 brother. I get mama. Papa don't die. Now me be first son. What do you expect me to do? I suppose they look after my family now, my brother.
Look, I am not against you being the first son of the family. It's good say you be first son. Yes, you're looking after everybody. Your sisters, your brother, blah, blah, blah. But guy, make you remember say who stand for 1 leg, no they carry person for back. Otherwise, all of them go reach ground. Do you understand? I'm only asking that they should give you some breathing space for you to grow. It can't be like say the more you struggle, make you climb this ladder. Now so them they draw you down. How you want to grow?
Yeah, now now. What you they try talk now? Be say now, make I abandon my family.
Oh, sometimes the way you talk me off me.
Help me understand what you want make I understand. Make I abandon my family now.
Why did I suggest you should abandon your family? Did I say anything like that? I'm only saying that your family should be considerate. Make them consider you. Make them have mercy on you. See, they choke you. Now they die like this. You know? Your sister no be small pikin again. Your brother, the same thing. Your sister can actually get something doing while they're going to school. Don't you know? At least as them they go school, make them find something where themselves go they do. Take support themselves. Not be say every time you send 200k. Even Dangote self not the same money like that. Guy, with the way you're spending this money, you go begin to do us off for market. Your business go run down completely. I don't tell you finish.
Guy, this thing where you talk now the final truth be that. You know lie, my brother. You know lie. But what I could do? If I abandon these people now, how they go take survive?
Wait, make I ask you one question. So for your mind now, say you buy now, like you lie down for this bed, you don't wake up again.
Which kind of talk with that one?
No, I'm trying to be factual with you.
Factual, now you go talk, say I go buy.
No, I'm not talking say you go buy you. I'm just trying to give you an illustration.
Then add God forbid now.
God forbid.
Good.
So make we assume say you lie down for this bed now, you buy, you don't wake up.
God
so for
forbid.
your mind, God forbid. So for your mind now, your family go follow you buy. Abi? So because no they get to send money give in family go follow and buy. Abi? Bro, make I tell you, if you buy today,
God forbid.
God forbid. If they cry for you tomorrow, cry next tomorrow, everybody go about in life. This your family now where they call you, send this, send that. They go find work, begin do. Focus on themselves. So why don't they focus on themselves now and let you breathe? Let them free you now. Make yourself figure that things for yourself. I beg. All this life now one per head though. Make you no go shoulder the whole world responsibility because you the train family. I don't advise you finish. A word is enough for the wise, as them say. I beg. They carry family matter for head. Not only you get family. How many times my own family they come?
God, what kind of rubbish is this? I'm just sick and tired of this car. It's either one problem or the other. I'm tired. This car is practically stressing my life. Just look at that.
So why don't you just talk to Kings? I mean, he's your boyfriend. He shouldn't let you drive such kind of a car that gets stuck every time in the middle of the road. This is too...
Girl, please. I'm not in the mood to get insulted this afternoon. You know, Kings, you know how he behaves. When I call him out and I ask him for something, he will remind me of everything he has done for me my entire life. I don't need that right now.
So what are we going to do?
I don't know. I just have to find a way to figure it. If this stupid mechanic of mine can just pick up his call.
Pino. Hi. Asempete wanyo man. Chai. Mommy, eya tekite. Onya se ka obole ya. Gen wan si go de ka obole ya. Huh?
Wait.
Mommy, wetin dey happen now? Wetin dey do your car?
Sorry, our car got stuck and we really don't know what to do.
No. How did this idiot show up here? How did this local native fowl get here? How did you get here? What do you want? Huh? Can you keep it moving? Yeah, keep it moving. Just look at this.
Mommy, look how far no dey here. As I just see you, as your car dey open like this, e be like say you should dey. Wetin dey sup with your car, eh? I go help you run am, no worry. As you don't come now, this car, me and my guy, fix am. Go run am. Wetin dey do the car, huh? They go run am for you.
You will fix what? You want to stay in my car? No. You want to put dirt on my car? Have you taken a look at yourself? No. Go look at yourself in the mirror. You want to stain my car? Have you seen this kind of car in your life before? No. Have you been privy to this type of car in your life? No. Tell me, have you? Let alone touch it. It's my car you want to touch. You must be mad.
She relax. We need help. We need these guys. Let us just give them a benefit of doubt and see what they can do. Please.
Calm down, no. Anya have no Sonia meme. My motor you dey fix before I start cosmetic shop. One other mechanics came out before.
My brother, tell him.
Oh, wow.
Tell him.
Give him the chance to fix your car.
They look down on me.
Oh, I see what we have here. Jack of all trade, master of none. That's what you are, huh?
This one the master of everything.
Chai.
Mechanic, he master. Cosmetics, he master. He master everything. Just give him the chance to fix your car.
Master of everything.
You can tell yourself whatever that makes you sleep well at night.
Pino butu.
Master of
Are they here to help
If
you?
not that my stupid mechanic would not answer his call, I wouldn't be standing here face to face with you.
Pino butu.
What would bring us together like this?
Pino uzugo. You go to me hard, bro. Hold this thing for me. Hold this one too. This is your car now. It could do you like magic, huh? I go fix them now. Not be say, what you do? Now, you can show them what's in my car. You won't fix can I get? I'm going to do like okay. Pino. This is your car, eh? You go fix now. No worry. Okay. All right.
Oh, you better not spoil anything there, okay? Don't make it worse than it already is.
Pino butu. Onye mmemme ka m bụ. Ihe m kwuru ka m na-eme.
So,
This is your car. I go fix am now. You go do it like this. Relax. Huh? Asam pete wanya ama. Aha. Okay. Go start am. No, see as you do.
I should start the car.
Yes. Start the car. Start the car. So now start the car.
King's College. What is English? Who does this?
My brother, don't say about that. It's alright.
Ha! Kasima.
It works.
Oh yeah.
Hi guys, I'm
see
so
it now, right?
grateful. Thank you guys. I don't know, I'm just grateful.
This
Thanks.
guy is anywhere he is, if any name.
Don't mention
What
that
a-
one, Yoma.
Thank you.
Pina. Asam pete. Chop now. Namni. Chop it now.
Are you mad?
Is it?
No, are you okay?
Killing me.
Oh, so because you fixed my car, now you think you can face bomb with me?
Sheila, please.
No, because you touched my car.
Hey.
Now you think you can face bomb with me? Keep dreaming, dummy. Let me tell you, if it's money you want, I can actually give you. Just give me a moment.
Guys, I'm so sorry.
Why is the street so... No, it's money you want because... How about you keep this? Buy yourself some deodorant, at least smell good. And then change some of your outfits. And, look presentable. You okay now? That's what you wanted, right? No, that's it.
Pina, na me they insult like this. You know good though. The way they insult me, good because na me go marry you for this life.
God forbid! I reject that rubbish that spewed out of your mouth. Are you mad? Do I look like your type? Oh, now you think you can step to me? Vanessa, please, let's get out of here. Look, let me tell you. I have a man. A very wealthy man. Handsome, well-traveled, educated. You hear me? Not some stupid, smelly, dirty lunatic. A common cosmetic owner like yourself. So let's be guided.
Pina, Pina. You get man, now you drive this kind
Get
of
out
car.
of here. Let's get out of here.
Pina, you get man, now you let you drive this kind of kabu where they give you wahala for this. Huh?
Vanessa, let's go, please.
Make that man come, make I tear him dirty slap. Because how you go get man, you go dey drive, the man go let you drive this kind of kabu motor where they give you wahala. Huh? No. Make she call man come. Make she call that her man come. She dey talk say he rich, he educate, he do this one. Now she dey drive this kind motor. Huh? No worry, I go change this motor for you. Pina.
Wait till you want to do. You won't follow him. With all the insults which she won't give you, still won't follow the car come out.
Boy, this girl insult me.
No, so you should say them know they do it from village.
Because I don't get money, now why this girl insult me like this?
You don't just guess it. See all the insults when woman give you on top of the car where you fix her. Now she insult you like this. You still won't follow and come out. No, if actually we go get out of me.
But waiting they worry you now. Why you go do that kind of thing?
You know, what respect for yourself. You see this 5K where she drops so. This 5K. You don't go see she buying from inside.
You say if you're crazy, bro. See as they throw me money, you don't even get, as a man, you're supposed to get pride and dignity. Now you rush, go pick the money.
How much you give me for market?
Huh?
Hey, go in Kenya and mafia tata. How
Just
much
they
you give
pick
me?
money like say
Come
you
out
beggar.
here.
Huh?
Come, I go use this money buy jollof rice. You no go taste them. You no go chop them. I go kill you today.
You can be.
See ya.
Just bring like 1K there, no buy Gary and granite keep for me.
Onye mmemme. Each ole ngo gari.
Relax, yeah.
I'm gonna go wire you today. Come chop. Come on.
You say if you don't insult me because of money, Abi. I go make this money. And when I make this money, this guy go beg me make I marry him. You go see now. You go see what up?
No so. We can't chop. Oh. I go finish this rice.
Boy.
This one where you just wake up and then they feel reluctant to chop. What's happen? Shall not because of waiting that get tell you for road. Huh?
Boy. Don't say real and chinois.
Today.
Hello, man. Kai, none so don't suffer. Boy, now me this girl look from head to toe. Me, none so. Onye mmemme. Ihe okulu ka ọ na-eme. Now me this girl look from head to toe, they insult me. Because I no get money. No be say I no get money. The money dey, but I never just touch my hand. You know that? She dey insult me. Huh? Boy, I go make this money. Makachi binenigwe, oh boy. Okwifule ego. Okwifule ego. Ma pete ego. I go make this money. I dey tell you. This is my business, I go invest. I go invest in this business and that money go come. And I go marry that girl.
Like I tell you. Babe, where you want marry? See where she did for up. You, on your meme, you dey under.
Ikenna.
You know they see the contrast between the two of you. The gap will be like this.
Ikenna, Butuo. You see that up where she did? I go climb ladder, go meet her for there. In our water? Guy, no they disbelieve now. You suppose they believe. Guy, I go make this money and I go marry this girl. Now she never know, but me, I know say I go marry the girl. Huh? Relax. You see, one day, for the first time in my life, I won't put myself first. You understand? My family don't too chop my head well. I know they do him mommy again. I know they do mommy thing again. I know they do sister, brother thing. Me everybody did their day. They go there all right. None so won't invest in himself. Now, I want to invest in my business. Make my business grow. Make I be that man where I know say I be. Then I go marry that girl.
But make I tell you, the only reasonable thing where you don't talk for this thing now be say you want to focus on yourself. You don't send your mama again. You don't send your siblings again. But the only good thing where you don't talk will make sense to me. But all this your ginger, your parara, because you want the ginger because of woman. That one not too jail for me. Now make I ask you, what make you think say by the time you don't make this money, say this babe never leave you go marry another person?
Kobulia. No wahala. Make it be say she don't go marry. But you see that money, I go make that money. Then if I meet them, if she don't marry, no wahala. But that money must enter, boy. So that if I stand for her front like this, when none so stand, oh yeah, quite a good no now.
But at that point, you go not say she did with you because of the money, not because she love you.
Oh, we can.
Yes, now when woman did with you because of the money, the love no go too strong like that. It no go too make sense.
Ike Babo, put on. I don't tell you mindset. You guys they change this your mentality. No, they think like poor man. Even if you be poor man, no, they think like poor man guy.
Don't insult me.
Wait, make I ask you something now. This thing where people they always talk say she's there because of his money. She's there because of Oga, what did she one day there before for? What did she if not be money? What did she one day there for? Huh?
But when woman love you before the money, it's go make sense.
Hey, yeah.
Unlike say she just come chop your money.
Oga, make I tell you, love without money, like Cameroon pepper. You hear me so? Guy, woman no go leave her papa house, suffer finish for papa house, still come her husband house, come suffer. No, now I no be that kind of person. Mban. As original Igbo man why I be guy, now my duty to take care of my wife. Where be say, if none so only meme come outside like this, I equate no one me now. If the one no say I get money, now my wife they go look. You don't understand? If you want no say Igbo man get money, original Igbo man, look in wife. Look in wife. You where they talk, you suppose know. All those your guy where they do boy for that time. You know they say as their wife they be.
So wait now.
Relax, make I tell you something, guy. Woman no go bath finish. Can't carry herself, go put for poto with another man. No, now they know they do that kind of thing. If you look at those women, we don't do those kind of thing with men. Now men will not value them. At the end of the day, the man go still leave them, go marry another woman. Now them go still lose.
So what you want me now be say, you already marry a woman we no love you. Like you're ready to spend your time and life with somebody who doesn't love you. Now what you want me be that?
Ike Bobo. Ike Bobo.
No, make I understand you now. You already marry a person who no love you.
Ike Bobo. Akwe fula sam pete a. Apo na wa. That girl, she go love me. Nalamaka. This guy know they believe me. And as he finish, they did this thing. Man, if for that girl, you see that girl go love me. The most important thing be say, make I get this money first. Eh? Now the money go drum like magnet. Money go drum like this. Come here, come here, come here, come here. When she come close, boy, now that time I go come use love, scatter her head. Boy, the way I go take love this girl, yeah, quit to go do. Oh yeah, quit it now. Now she go can't even love me past the way I love himself. But the most important thing, money. Love sweet, oh, but without money, na Cameroon pepper.
No, sir. Now hunger they catch you. Come and eat.
Guy, make I tell you something, eh?
Come chop, make you figure sense.
I go get money and I go marry that girl. I go buy a motor.
Okay, there
I go give her a better house. You see that kabu motor where she dey drive, eh? I go change that motor for her. Eh? I go change her life.
Come and eat.
No, but I know be this food they hungry me, and my apple now they hungry me, guy. Bam. I know if you continue like this. Don't so. You guys change things. Eh? Things guys change. Sharply. If you want different result, you guys do things different. You understand me? A boy. I go marry that girl. Ha! Makachi binenegwe. I go marry that girl, my passing. Huh? And she go be my motivation like this. Because of that girl, I go make money. Huh? Not be just because of her. Even for myself too. I go make that money. I go make them. Nonso. Onye mmemme. Ihe ikulu ka ị na-eme boy. Daddy, iso n'ife a na-alụ. Mana chelukwa, wait. For you to be onye mmemme, you got to do wetin ndị mmemme they do. You know what? You have to do something where people no expect say you go do. Stop this madness. Break this chain of poverty quickly.
Baby, I've been on your phone and I told you I wanted more, please.
I'm just checking something.
Come on, baby. Come here. Baby, I want more, please. Who's calling?
Hey, beautiful. This one that you're calling me this time of the night. What's up? Is everything all right? You are at my gate. You didn't even inform me that you're coming. All right, just give me 2 minutes. I'll be there, okay? And I hope you're ready for the night. I'll be there.
What was that?
You know, babe, there is this girl I've been chasing for a very long time. Like, I've been after this girl for a very, very long time. Guess what? She just called me and said she's at my gate. And you know what that means, right? I'm gonna knock her so hard this night. I'm coming.
No, wait, Kings, are you being serious right now?
Babe, I'm coming.
Are you joking?
I'm not.
You're going where?
I'll be back.
coming.
Where do you think you're kings? Do not step out that door. Kings!
Nonso? Nonso? Where this one come go again this morning? Huh? I be come off for night when person still dey sleep. Nonso? Make I go brush my mouth first.
Isn't this woman want? Anytime I see your call, I saw my heart go dey beat. Boom, boom, boom. Huh? Hello, mommy. I did all right. How you doing now? Mommy, Ozgo, Biko, can wag now. Make I tell you, onye pasukwana me iwe. Make nobody annoy me now. Make nobody annoy me. And to Doris way they talk about, let me tell her, make she leave her husband house. Huh? Let me tell her, make she leave her husband house. How go just they carry another man responsibilities? I don't feel do that kind of thing, no. I beg, I pasukwana me iwe. No annoy me. Tell her to Doris, make she go back her husband house. You understand? Anything where they do, her husband go take care of him. Now, what will happen? Me, I get my own responsibility now. I get things where I want to do with my life now. Which kind? Nah, mommy, biko. Like this now, they try push my business. I tell you, say my business is going through a lot. Una chibum, una won't kill me, huh? Huh? Biko. Let's go. Cause now my Auntie Doris, biko. Mommy, because one of my customers from Kano, they call me. Later we'll go talk, I beg. Let's go. Bye, biko. Alaji. Shansa. My Oga. The main Oga where I get. I greet you special. How you doing now? We thank the Lord. Yes, now. Yes. Why not? I feel supply now. How many cartons? 50 cartons. Yes. I deal with you. When you want them? Okay. You know what's going to happen there? Say no more. Say no, I go supply him. Before tomorrow evening, you go see him. Yeah? Alaji, you get him out. You get him out. You get him out. Yeah? You too much. You too much. You too much. Well done, sir. Well done, sir. Yeah, nothing do you. Oh, yeah, now. Yeah, you go hear from me. Don't worry, yeah? Kita coming now. Kita coming. And I call him my Auntie Doris. Get help us someone Auntie Doris. We think concern me and Auntie Doris. Make you go our husband house. I better go. Make nobody disturb me. Engineer! Daddy, no best.
Hold on, let me.
Daddy. Engineer.
Alpha now.
Boss!
No, so.
My boss!
Alpha.
My boss!
Don't
I
do
greet
bad.
you special. Senior man, see how you clean, fresh, sweet.
You don't tell.
But I don't tell. Now you are going to talk, say you don't tell. You can't scarce pass fuel like this, eh? I don't find you tired. Ask questions. Now, person come tell me say you go Abakaliki, go see your family. I hope all is well.
All is well, my brother. I go see one of my uncle where government give appointments.
Oh.
He get one contract like that one begin they run.
Organide.
It dey massive.
Organide.
I dey tell you.
Engineer, you see why they follow you bumper to bumper? Because I say you be my destiny helper. The kind things where you dey into, now I won't dey into. It's as they talk contract, government. Now those kind things what I like.
Yeah.
As I dey see you like this, I know say you can do boom. Boom.
My brother.
Boom.
Now God do.
Engineer.
Now God dey run am for us.
Engineer. It's too much. It's too much. Baba no verse, so I don't mean to disturb you. Now just based on that talk we talked that last time, you promised me say you go carry me along. Yeah? I think they wait me carry me along. Yeah? My destiny helper.
No, so.
Sir?
You know what's going to happen?
Yes, sir.
Call me this evening. You get one matter where I want make me run.
Engineer.
You go like him.
Hey! Engineer.
You go like him.
Engineer.
Make I.
My destiny helper.
No worry.
My destiny helper.
Make I run they go. I won't meet
Baba, after God now you. Make I clear road. Baba, make I clean this thing for you. Make I come Daddy. I know you, boss. Hey, engineer, make I follow you now. Make I follow you. Ha, Daddy. After God now you. Who dey?
Hey, girl.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh.
Happy birthday, dear bestie. So happy for you. So
Thank you, my love. Thank you.
happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
So I got you something small for your birthday.
Oh, you did.
Something small.
Oh, this is beautiful.
This is something small for your birthday.
You're so sweet. You're the sweetest. You know,
you.
you're always the first one to wish me a happy birthday on my birthdays.
Wait. Don't
Thank
tell
you.
me Kings hasn't wished you a happy birthday yet.
Nope, he hasn't.
This is so wrong, babe. This is your boyfriend, I mean. It is not right. Call this guy.
No, I'm not about to ruin my day with insults
You're
from
not
him.
ruining your day. You're just calling this guy. You're not to the point we as ladies, we just have to tell this man how to teach us. Because, I mean, this is not fair, babe. Call this guy. Let him know that whatever he's doing is wrong. It's your birthday for crying out loud.
It's a bad idea. That's a bad idea.
I'm trying to tell you what to do. This is your boyfriend. Call this guy. Let him know how to treat you. Just call him.
Okay, if you say so. Should I put on speaker? Hey, babe. Good morning.
Why are you calling me?
Can't I call my man?
You can call me, but why are you calling me? There are two different questions.
Well, babe, today's my birthday and I haven't heard from you, so I was wondering if everything is okay on your side, so I decided to check up on you and make sure that you're fine, because I haven't heard from you since I woke up.
Is this the first time you're having a bad day?
No, my love.
Because it's happened every year, so I must call you every year to wish you?
Baby, you are my man. I'm your woman. We're in a relationship. I was just hoping that...
Stop hoping. If it's a gift you want, you have my card, right? So take it, go to the shop, buy yourself a cake, buy yourself a dress, buy yourself a drink, celebrate yourself and stop disturbing me.
He hung up already.
What does he think he is? What's wrong with this guy?
You happy now? My mood has been weird. Thank you.
I'm sorry, babe. I didn't mean to do that. But I can help you get out of that mood. Wait, you still have his shopping cards, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we're going to shop. Please,
Really?
please, it's your birthday. Let's take his money. He's trying to behave like a stupid guy. So let's take his money. Let's go and shop. We're not going to shop with a stop. You're going to buy everything you feel like, and then let him come and shout.
Girl, you don't get it.
She, listen to me. I'm your friend. We have to go. I mean, you won't be staying like this forever. Let's just go and do whatever he feels like, and then we'll see him. We'll see what he's gonna do. Just go and change. Go and change and then.
I'm not even in the mood.
See your baby.
Hi. Pinam.
Eh? For make sense, make you go see him.
I'm a guy. I don't make up my mind, say I don't go stand for this girl front again until I don't make this money. And when I don't make the money, now I go stand for her front.
Okay, this your grandma don't do too much. So until you make money, before you go talk to the girl. So what if say before you make that money? So what if say before you make the money, another person never married the girl for what?
Ike Baba, now me go marry that girl. Yeah? And if by the time I don't make that money, another man marry him, she go leave that man marry me. You know that?
You know, say this overconfidence don't they turn to stupidity. Eh? So you go make money, you go snatch him from another man we don't marry him. How much you want make?
One day no be by overconfidence. Now that?
Now waiting.
Now as they come and they talk am, as the spirit they knock am inside me, and they knock am to you like this now. Huh? I go marry that girl. Remember this thing why they tell you, because it go happen. But that one aside there, the way they see this girl, the girl know they happy. The girl know they happy. Something they bother this girl. I they tell you.
How you take me?
I just know. You know, say when I like person, I they invested in that person's business. And as I don't look this girl like this, something they bother her. She not just they happy.
So you don't sabi this girl to this extent now. You don't sabi this girl reach know when she they happy and when she know they happy.
Now real matters I they tell you like this, so boy. The girl know they happy, man. Now well, that's why I'm here. Now me go wipe those tears away.
Make we they go before you go turn this thing to spiritual matter.
Boy.
You know they had you go begin to talk another thing.
I go make this girl happy. I go take care of her in a way where nobody don't take care of her before.
You two they make mouth.
Boy, no be mouth.
See where this girl is. See where
Though weeping endures for a night, joy comes right in the morning. Someday you will realize you're no longer.
It's finally happening. It's happening and it's happening tonight. Can you believe?
Wait. Are you screaming?
Oh my God. Okay, so Kings called me and he said to me, I need you to get your best outfit and come meet me at this really nice fancy restaurant where I have made reservations for 2.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So that means he's gonna propose?
Yes, of course. Obviously. Why else would he be doing all that?
Oh my goodness, I'm so happy for
I know!
I didn't after all these things and he's still gonna wants to settle.
My dear.
So happy for you. He thought it was gonna take forever.
Oh, he wants to settle with me. I'm so happy.
So what do we do? Wardrobe? Maybe get something for my wardrobe, or we're gonna buy outside?
Hell no, girl. We're going outside. Yes, I don't have anything in my wardrobe that can be befitting for this occasion. So we're definitely going outside.
Yeah, let's go and find
Yeah.
something.
If you love it, then you should have put a ring on it. If you love it, then you should have put a ring. Ah! Girl, we out. We're going shopping. We're going shopping right now. Baby, what are you up? Oh my.
I want to make this special. Ever since you came into my life, everything has changed. You taught me the real definition of love and happiness. I can live with you, but I can never live without you. You complete my soul. I love you so very much every single day. My love for you just grows. Can you please give me the honor of being my wife? Please complete me. Marry me.
Oh my God, I want nothing more. Nothing more than being your wife. Oh yes. I say yes. I want to love you forever. I've waited for this day that you will ask me to be your wife. And that is...
You like it?
Sweet
What?
Sheila.
Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Where is she?
Where is who? What do you mean?
Who else would I be here looking for? Who did I get this apartment for? Where is Sheila?
Why are you asking me that? You went on a date with Sheila, so why are you asking me?
Because she ran off just because I got engaged to another girl. Can you imagine how disrespectful that was?
Wait, what did you say?
I said I got engaged to another woman. So she got offended and then left. You raised your hand at me?
What kind of favor were you made of?
Are you trying to insult me here?
And I will insult you again. Wait, you invite a woman on a date and you have the guts to bring another woman, engage right in front of her and just expect her to be okay with everything. Are you nuts?
So that's why you raise your filthy hands on me, right?
And I will do it again. I'm not Sheila. As a matter of fact, you know, Sheila kept on telling me negative things about you and I kept on convincing her to just stay with a man like you. I didn't know you were this kind of a trash guy. You don't even have a little respect for women.
What respect will I have for a woman whose bills I pay? Huh? What respect will I have for a woman I do everything for? Tell me! I got engaged to another woman. So what? If eventually I get married to her, she'll have got to be my child chick. Yes! And she has money. She will be compensated. Yes.
Oh, wow. Congratulations, Kins. I'm so proud of your foolishness. Now let me ask you a question. When Sheila asked you to open for her business, what did you say? You said no, that you will provide everything for her. Now I get it. You were trying to do this because you knew very well if Sheila had her own money, you wouldn't be able to control her. And Kings, that is not an attribute of a wealthy man. There is a difference between a rich man and a wealthy man. Kings, I'm so much disappointed in you. And by the way, you better find my friend. You better find her. And I hope she's in a good condition, because if she's not, I don't know, I will come for you. And I swear to God.
I'm letting you go this time with a warning. But the next time you open your filthy mouth and insult me, I'll beat you to a pulp.
Please, don't say that to me. Just go and say that to Sheila. I'm not that kind of a person. So can you just leave this house?
House that I'm paid for.
Who cares? This place. How did I get here?
Hey, who are you? Hello? Who are you and where am I? Can you hear me? You? You?
Pino. Asam pete wanyo. Nami. Let him man off, man. Look at me. Look at me well, and Homo. Nonso. Onye mmemme. Ihe nwoke kwuru ka ọ na-eme. See your face. You dey surprised to see me, Abby? You dey welcome to my house. This your face, eh? You're surprised, Abby? Not good. Yesterday, I did drive on my own. Now so you carry yourself, jump my motor. Come faint on top. Now I say make I carry you come my house. Revive you. They shall say you do okay. Get one game. How are you doing? Are you fine? Are you?
Wait. I'm trying to understand. This is your house? How? When?
Asam Betty. Butu. Huh? I wait for how and when is a matter of time and grace, my love. But waiting there me important now your health. How are you? Can't forget to go for man. Turn around for me. Let me see you. Oh, come in. You're okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay. Is this?
No. You know, I've been there wait to make you wake up so that we go do breakfast together. Make we go job.
Well, I want to understand. Is this really your money? Is this really your house?
Pino, you're still doubting. Doubting Thomas. Let me tell you. If you come out outside my gates like this now, you can see where they write my name. in capital letters. Nonso. Onye mmemme. Ihe nwoke kwuru ka ọ na-eme. Ị na-aghọta? Ya nụ m anya ọfụma. I know they collect person. I know they brag with person property. I dey live according to what I fit achieve. My own na my own. Baby, we don't dey talk too much. Come on, go job. One normal. Normal, bia, no go job. Yeah. You know, the long one. Let's sit down here. Sit down. Pino. That's some better one, your mom. Hope so you enjoy the food, huh? You know some of the kind of food one they like all this colored fried rice and chicken, you know. I go like make we discuss something. Huh? That's some better one, your man. You see that condition where I see you yesterday? I don't know what happened. Honestly, I don't care to know. I don't even know. I don't care to know who caused him. But I know they're happy. I know they're happy at all. Because why? For what reason will my Pino Asam petewan your mom person go make you go they run for road? Huh? They run like say you don't they run mad. You want God forbid. It can never be my woman. How you go let person break your heart like that? I don't know what will happen. No. As I tell you, I don't care to know. Huh? But as a woman where you be, as a beautiful princess, Mbano, you're supposed to carry yourself with pride and prestige, mommy. Huh? You don't look yourself for mirror. You don't look yourself. You know who you be? Huh? I beg. No man or woman get the right to put you for that condition where I see you yesterday. No man or woman get the right to make you cry, break your heart, or make you feel sad. May thunder fire that man 20,000 times. You dey crazy? When I dey here, for waiting. Huh? Pino, Biko. I dey beg you. That yesterday, make it be the first and the last time where I go see you for that kind of condition again. I don't want to see you for that condition. Please. Even more webu nonso nye meme. I don't get right to come out tears for your eye. Except saying tears of joy. Yeah? Mbabi goes go. This one now where you dey cry, I don't like him. I don't like him. Huh? Now this thing why the dog. Why you go dey cry? I know they like see your tears. If not be tears of joy, I don't want to see any tears for your eye. For waiting one, Biko Fichanya, Mediga, Biko. If na money, just name your price. I go transfer them now to you. Make you use just swipe these tears. Who's go? It's how they talk too much. No more abundant, so I don't make cool. Huh? Plenty talk, not the full basket. Huh? Biko. I know they like. You get some kind of things one know they like. Neteko, put your account number here. Put your account number here. Obedience is better than sacrifice. Well, Why you go to shed tears? When I did here, God forbid, you go to shed tears when none so dey here. Bang. That kind of thing will happen. Huh? Bang. I just transfer 5 million naira to your account. Huh?
Why would you send me all that money?
Mommy, it's nothing now. Come on. It's me. Nonso. Onye mmemme. Ihe m kwuru ka m na-eme. Just use that one. Wipe these tears while they see now. I don't want to see these tears. And if you enter boutique, do 1 or 2 things. Oh, nke a come like it because the way your face they brighten up, I don't like them now. They see this smile where they smile now.
No, why would you send me 5 million naira just to wipe my tears?
Oh man, those go. How quick tears guy? This your tears is precious. It's precious. Huh? You're not supposed to waste them. Nobody's supposed to see how many have. It be like gold and diamond. In fact, it precious past gold and diamond. Kita kibia no. Kita kibia. If tears won't come out, make it be tears of joy. If not be tears of joy, no release them. Huh? May nobody see them. Who be that man? He dey craze? They go make you dey cry. Hey. The kind thing where I want to do for you be this. If you go shed tears, I go like make you shed tears of joy. Mommy, Imaka. I have told you. Huh? Like I've been telling you in the past. That me go marry you. But we will not talk about that one now. Eat your food. Eat your food so I go go drop you off. Yeah? Norma.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Don't mention. It's nothing. Eat your food, mommy. Okay, cheers. Cheers, huh? Pinam. Asam pete.
But baby, here's the gist. Whatever goes around comes around and goes back again.
5 million naira. Are you serious? You mean like this guy literally gave you 5 million naira just to wipe your tears? Did he even know that he gave you all that money?
Girl, what kind of question is that? Of course he did. I told you he gave me 5 million. He knew what he was doing just to wipe my tears. Can you believe that? Girl, I still can't believe that this Nonso guy is the same guy that we met at the supermarket the other day.
Wait, are we talking about the Nonso guy, the same guy that we insulted and thought that he didn't have money?
The same person.
He actually promised to marry you regardless.
The same guy. Honestly speaking, if someone tells me that that guy is doing blood money, I wouldn't doubt it.
I think it's blood money.
No, but I don't think so.
It's a lot of money.
It is. It just baffles me how he transformed to a whole new person.
I know.
You need to see him now. Girl, I couldn't believe my eyes. But he's so nice, so sweet. The way he treated me. For the first time in my life, I felt seen. You know, he treated me like a real woman. Right from the time when I woke up till when he dropped me outside the house.
He even dropped you.
Girl, it was 100% princess treatment. I was like, wow. So really? There's still real men like this out here.
Just one night. One single night out of the house I'm paying for. I can see someone is trying to praise a man in my house. Did I hear you right?
How did you get in here?
As far as I'm concerned, this is my house. And I paid the rent. Do you want me to remind you? I have the right to come in and go whenever I want to.
Oh yes, you paid for the house. Thanks again for reminding me, as usual. Well, you can take back your house now, because I'm ready to move out and find a place on my own, because I'd rather live by myself than be with a man who has no iota of respect for a woman.
Did you just talk back at me?
Yes, I did. I've been a fool for too long. I don't think that I'm talking back at you because I met someone new. No, that's not the point, because this is not the first time that I am meeting this guy. But I can say for a truth that for the first time, I met someone who sees me as relevant, who sees something in me, who treats me with respect. And not you. You invited me for a party only to humiliate my soul. And for that, I will never forgive you.
I'll advise you. Watch your mouth.
Or else what? Huh? Or else what? You would insult me and talk me down as usual? I'm used to it. Your words can't break me anymore. Okay? Now I know better and I'm taking my power back. Oh yeah? Oh well, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting.
Who are you?
You who you be?
You are in front of my gate. That's why I'm asking, who are you?
Okay, come on for Jerry.
Look, I'm not in a good mood right now. So just tell me who you are and why you're here.
Whether you're there for good mood or not, I take consign me. Okay, come on for Jerry.
My friend, just stay back. I'm asking, who the hell are you?
What is going on here?
Asodogu. How are you?
Ikenna.
Hmm?
Is that you?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
Onye Meme sent me to come meet you. Huh?
Okay.
Say that thing will happen yesterday. As you take jam in motor. This is not good for your mind. The thing will tell you not so much. You want to go? Say because of what thing don't happen, say you deserve a better car.
It's not possible.
Asodogu. If I go buggy.
Wait, who is that fool? Who is that idiot that is trying to wow my woman in front of me, in my presence? Huh?
Are you trying to say you bought this car for her?
Yes. Onye Meme bought this motor for Asa.
Oh no, wait, you're confusing me. So you're saying Nonso bought me a car? This car?
Life and direct.
And that is impossible. Not in my presence. I'll advise you, just take this car out of this place if I damage it now. Okay?
Asa,
what's going on here?
Asa,
yeah.
Who be this rotten pawpaw where they make noise for here? Eh? Who be this guy where they make noise for here now?
You are standing in front of my gate and then insulting
me. See, make I tell you, people will get money, they know they make noise. Onye Jay gather men bottle. Now why you be say when Onye Meme one they talk, in they keep his voice down. So person go fit understand waiting him they talk. Shall you feel me? Asodogu.
Yes.
This is your car. If I bumotogi.
Oh, this is so exciting.
Don't even try that. Don't even try that. You get inside. Why is excited?
Are you kidding me right now? Please,
be like saying the phrase.
Please give me his number. I need to call him and say thank you.
Here?
I need to thank him. Please give me no shows.
As an hour for you. It's your number, Onye Meme. You know where to meet him. If you want Onye Meme's number, you know the right place to go to. Now Onye Meme carry you come house. Remember? Now him treat you up. So if he really won't give you a number, if I don't do him.
Please, no, you don't get it. Like he's done something so beautiful for me. I need to call him and appreciate him.
Now what thing I tell you, I say if you want to appreciate Onye Meme for waiting he don't do for you, you know where to find him. Yeah, I'm only a messenger. I don't come deliver message from you.
Wait, so you're saying you won't give me his number?
No, I won't.
Sheila, why are you allowing this guy to embarrass me in my house? The house I paid for! Huh?
Oh. Not true. Only member tell me say now you dey pay for this house. Asa. Shana, because of this house, this guy they shout for you, they insult you. Huh? Name 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Asodum, this document now for this apartment.
What?
Yes, this document now for this house. Only Meme don't buy this house.
It's not.
To be this one. Go follow landlord talk now. Go meet landlord.
Wait.
Asa, this is the document to this house. Now you get them. This house now your own. Moto. Now your own. Only Meme besigi feni. Do you understand? I am only a messenger and I've come to deliver a message to you. So that's it. And as for you, Oga, let today be the first and last time you can enter this house. As no Sonia and Meme don't buy this house, we don't want to see you for here again. Because any day, any moment, I never forget at this house again, one day, you go collect. I don't tell you.
Thank you. Please, can I have, please. Please, can you just give me Nonso's number, please?
If you want Onye Meme's number, you know where to find him now. You know where to meet him. Go to his house. You know where to find him. Me, I don't move. Oh.
Thank you, Kenna. Thank you.
Hope you know I'm not going to take this light with you.
Oh, you heard him. You're not allowed to step foot in this house. You heard him loud and clear. Else, whatever happens to you, count me out, okay? Girl, oh my God! Oh my God! Can you believe we even wearing matching color? I'm wearing matching color. Get in, let's go to ride. Huh? Where are you going? Hey, come again! Come again! Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Are you okay? Where do you want to go? Did you hear him? See, he said the next time you step foot in this house, whatever happens to you, just take it like that. You hear me? You are no longer welcome here. Get out of my house and my life. You hear me? Get out!
You.
Now you can see what a real man can do, right? That's my new right, baby. Woo! We gotta paint the town red!
Hey, why are you emotional? I mean, this is not the first time someone is buying a car for you. So you shouldn't be crying, you should be happy.
Can I just feel so bad? I feel so bad. So bad. Girl, do you remember the first time we met this guy? Do you remember all the insults that I rendered on him? And all he was just doing was complimenting me. And I insulted him so badly. And something he said that day, he said he was going to make money and come back to marry me. Oh, I have never seen a man kept to his words like this. I mean, he hasn't married me yet. But look at all that he's doing. He's already outdoing himself. This is the first time that I have seen a man who said something and did exactly what he said. I just feel so bad. I wish I was a little nice to him that day.
I know, right? I also felt this time. But you know, this is a learning process for you, that you shouldn't just look down on someone.
I know, we can't judge a book by its cover. Imagine that kings had the type of money this guy had.
Try to imagine.
Oh God. He will be walking on people's heads.
So now that you have a house and you have a car, I think it's time to put your life together. Yeah, and we need to look for this guy. Like, we really need to go and look for, I don't know, his place where he stays or just his number, something.
Yeah. You think we should go look for him?
Yeah, we need to.
All right.
Madam, welcome, ma.
How
Yes,
are
ma.
you?
Are they well, ma?
Great,
Yes,
great.
ma.
Please, I'm here to see Nonso.
Hey, I'm going to come there. Child, you can't see me this.
Really?
In come out. You never tell. You know, come there.
Okay, please tell him Sheila stopped by to see him.
I'm going to tell him.
All right.
I'm going to tell him. You do well.
Thank you.
Well done, ma.
You expecting someone? Who's there?
Hi, Sheila.
Wow, Ikenna.
I saw Dogu.
What brings you here?
I've come with a good news.
Okay.
When you message, make I come meet you. So make I give you this key.
Key.
So make I give you this address.
What am I supposed to do with this?
He said make you locate this address with that key where you go. I'm just a messenger. So the message I can deliver, give you.
But just like that?
Yeah, just like that. Now my message I can't deliver now. I got a bounce.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Ikenna. I
welcome.
appreciate you.
I'll see you guys later.
All right.
Isn't this guy weird? What are you supposed to do with the keys?
Ask me. I guess we'll have to find out. Oh my gosh! I don't know. Oh, something just fell here. You know, you asked. Right, are you sure we're in the right place? Oh, but I love the clothes. I know, they look so pretty. Oh, so beautiful. Oh. I think we better get out of here before they come in. Babe, look what I found. Come see what I found here. Welcome to your boutique. Everything you see here is yours. A woman needs to have her identity. Make this place flourish. And also make sure that you learn and earn for yourself. Congrats. Congrats. Oh,
This is so nice. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy for you. Aren't you happy?
I'm short of words. I'm just overwhelmed. This guy has outdid himself.
You know what? You have to find this guy. You have to just find a way of how you'll get his number.
Girl, he keeps exceeded my expectations. Like, I've always wanted a boutique. I wanted a boutique of my own so bad, and my boutique is here.
No, I'm so happy for you, babe. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh, Sky.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, so pretty.
Cute, right?
I'm so happy for you. You really deserve this. God. Babe, you really need to find this guy. I don't know how you're gonna do it, but you have to find his number and talk to him. I mean, this is too much.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I don't know how to find him. I've been trying to reach out to Ikenna to see if I could get his information, but Ikenna is not giving me much to work with, so I don't know.
You just have to do something. We're just gonna figure out something.
I know, we have to find him.
Yeah, because
I need to say thank you.
so huge.
I can't believe this. I can't!
I'm gonna be the first one to buy these shoes.
Girl, it's on the house. It's on me. Your first purchase is now.
Aha. Welcome. You are welcome to my humble abode. Come here. A minute, please. 1 minute, please. I like to welcome my guest properly. Nauta. Imana, you came to my house, you can't dish out. Naba. Inaba. Naba, you are shouting like a local dog, a cookie. Yotago? Don't be so that they do something. If you want to see me and you want us to talk, you sit down. We talk as men. Huh? My brother, take, huh? Kita Akibia. What do you drink? Ngwan. Aha. So my brother, waiting be that thing where you won't follow on your meme talk. I hear you.
Stay away from my woman. She's mine. You cannot just come into a woman's life and start humiliating this boyfriend like this. Giving her all the liberty, and you make me feel like I don't know what I'm up to. She's my woman. She's supposed to be my woman. She's supposed to respect me and be with me. But she came around, everything has changed.
You don't finish. Okay. Onyacha. Oyibo boy. I don't see say, first of all, you sabi speak English. You prepare yourself and your English speaking nature. Come. It's all right. Apologies. That's what they talk. I apologize. Say you they feel this way, where you they feel like this now. Aha. But you know what's not the think now? This thing where you don't talk now, stay away. Are the reason and because are the reason if you go feed they possible. Say more. Maybe non so onye mmemme na-eme ife ka ọ na-atọ ụtọ. It go dey possible say I go see woman where I like. Huh? I no go fit can do something where I want do for this particular woman where I like. Ban. That kind of thing no dey, my brother. You know if you work. Huh? I no be that kind of person. Ihem kulu kam na-eme. Especially when the money come dey. Why I no go do am? Me, I be the kind man where they like empower a woman. The kind man where they like support a woman. Because now waiting real man suppose they do be that. Real man go dey there for a woman. Before a woman open mouth talk say she needs something, he don't provide them. A real man duty be that. Weak man, on the other hand, they always like making woman, they depend on them. And now waiting you they do be that. Me, I no be that kind of person. Make I ask you something. Onyocha. If something do you now, una no dey this so-called relationship again, wetin you think say this babe could do? How you think say she go take survive? You say reason am. How you think say she go stand on her 10 toes, confidently, face society? It go hard am because society go rub am rubbish. It go turn am, they go turn am, yama am for ground. And she no go fit stand. Why? Because you will be her man. You no support her. You no empower her. You no give her that confidence which she need to stand as a woman. So my brother, this thing where they talk, you know go dey possible, huh? Thank you.
She's a woman. She's supposed to be inside the house, not outside. She's supposed to respect me as a man. Yeah.
How can I speak English? How can I speak English? If they speak English, now that thing where they off me where you dey. See, I make I tell you something. Don't be by to speak English. Me, I no go school well. Oh. I know even na GSS now finish. I know sabi speak this kind of English where they speak. But you know what I carry A1 for? Money. And money pass that English where they speak. Because where I go stand, you know go fit stand there. Ah? That's number one. Number two, you see that thing where they call respect. They know they buy them for market. You guys earn them. Before person go feel respect you, whether man or woman, you guys they worthy of that respect. You as you do like this now, as you feel say you get woman, you suppose they treat them well. When they take care of your woman, pamper am, boy. Make it be say, even when you know they around, she go to sing praises of your name. Odogum, na this one. Odogum, na that. Imakwe him neku, boy. This your woman, your so-called woman where they talk about now, Sheila. Since the last time with me and Nancy, I never even see him again. No be because say I no want to see her more. But you get waiting be say, as I see him, I can't know say you are a very useless man. Yes. I am sorry to say this. At the same time, I'm not sorry. But you are useless in the sense that you want to make her useless. She needs help. You know they support her, you know they empower her. What thing you they do for her? Nothing. So me like this, I want empower her. This woman, where you feel say now your woman, we don't become my woman. You know Ota I could see me. Now my woman now. So I want make she dey confident in herself. Make it be say, even if I know they are around, if society push am left and right, she go stand bam. No say her man dey. Her odogu. Onye mmemme ihe okuru ka ọ na-eme. She go no say her man dey her back. You understand me? You know, say na people like you, now in the make society, they talk say men are scum. And because of people like you. Because they like won't show yourself where woman dey. You won't intimidate. You won't suppress. You won't oppress. You won't show say you don't arrive. Na man you be. She know if it becomes something tangible in life because say you did there. You won't make she dey under you. My brother, no be so. Me, I no be that kind of person. Me, I go empower my woman. I go support her, make she chase her dreams. Anything where she won't become in life, I go make sure say I help her achieve them. You understand me? Thank you. With that being said, now you don't talk your own. Okay? Well, make I talk my own. I don't hear waiting you come here, come talk. So, my brother, waiting I go tell you be say, name your price. Any amount where this your brain fit think of. Right here, right now. I go transfer you the money. Abụrụ m onye okwu na ụka. Mụ aka na-akpọ nọ nso. Onye mmemme. Ihe m kwuru ka m na-eme. Ị na-aghọta? Name your price. I go transfer am for you right now. I want you to leave that girl wey dey call Sheila. Na my woman now. You understand me? And once I send you this money, Bobby, if I see you anywhere close to that girl, if you even mention she, not to talk of la again, you go hate yourself. Because normally, person will bring tears come my woman eye. Suppose they blind. Name your price. One name.
Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. Whew. I don't know.
Sorry.
It's okay. Today was one hell
I know.
of a day at the boutique. Whew, I feel so exhausted. But you know, I also feel so alive. You know, just doing my thing in my space. It's so fulfilling.
I know.
Having my own boutique and working from my own space. Whew, makes me feel so alive.
You remember when you were emotionally wrecked? Kings really treated you bad. And many women don't understand the beauty of working hard. It is such a flex, working hard and just earning your own money. You get respected by the society.
That's right. You know, becoming your own boss. That's why I'm so grateful to Nonso for doing this for me. He made me become my own boss.
No.
Imagine that I was still under the wings of kings.
But I don't blame you. Your mother did the same thing. She literally made you feel like it was okay to just sit under a man's roof, respect him, and not work if he doesn't want you to. It's high time our parents did better. They should help us know how to fight for ourselves, get our own respect, and fight for our future. We shouldn't depend on men anymore.
But you know, there's still something that saddens me in all of this. The fact that Nonso is refusing to see me. It really bothers me. Like, how can he be doing all these beautiful things for me and then just hide himself? I don't even get the chance to say thank you.
If you really want to find this guy, you can actually find him.
How? I've been to his house countless times. They keep saying, oh, he's not around, he's not around. And honestly speaking, I believe he's just telling them to tell me he's not around.
No, you just have to find a way. And you know this guy is intentionally avoiding you. So you should be intentional in finding him.
Everybody's got a day when the sun stays away, yeah.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Share My Pain. Today we have a very interesting lady in the studio, and she's very pretty. She's actually here to reach out to a man that has been so nice to her, very caring, and has done everything to put a smile on her face. And she's been trying to reach out to him for a while now, and he has been unreachable. So she's here for us to share in her pain and try to reach out to this man wherever he is. So let's hear what she has to say and let's see what happens.
Hello, everybody. Good evening. Hope you all are doing good and enjoying yourself out there. So I'm here to speak about a man who is very kind, a man who has been so good to me. Now, this is a man whose words supersedes his actions. Matter of fact, sometimes his actions supersedes his words. This man has been very nice to me. He has been the kindest person to me, despite how mean and rude that
I'm sorry. I'm calling out to Nonso or Yema, wherever you are. If you can hear me, please, I want to apologize for everything I've done to you, especially our first meeting. I'm sorry. You're such a sweetheart and you don't deserve that. I have received all the beautiful gifts and all the things that you have done for me, but I just want to see you in person. Please. If you can hear me, find me. Call me. I am dying to meet with you. My name is Sheila Dukes and I'm calling out to Nonso Oyememe. Please, answer my plea. I know I haven't been the nicest person to you. In fact, I feel very stupid for my actions. You practically replaced my wickedness with kindness. And I really do appreciate you for that. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me and answer my plea. I want to see you and I want to say thank you to you in person for choosing to be a good human. Please, I'll be waiting.
So we are going to open our phones now for you to call us and reach out to us and tell us what you think about our guest in the studio today. Do you think that it's okay for her to ask him to come meet her? Or do you think that she did something so bad that he has refused to reach out to her? Reach out to us via our number 0812 107 0634.
Wow, you came. What a pleasant surprise.
Hassan Peter. You call my name. So don't go on your memory. I go answer you. I'm a little one, you man. Get it for name, is it?
Well, first of all, I want to appreciate you for coming. Thank you for answering my plea. And second, I want to know what happened. You've been actively helpful in my life. You know, paying attention to every single detail in my life. Attending to all my needs. But you kept yourself away from me. Why? Do you not have any interest of getting close to me?
Been up in them. You know, say you get us, you go chase something rich. You go call relax. Make that thing begin to chase you. Akwema.
Look, I'm so sorry for everything.
Hassan better. You get us, you go find rich. You're not supposed to apologize. You're not supposed to talk sorry. Like again one. Huh? Not be because of pride, though. Not be because of attitude. But not because God created you specially. Yeah? Mama. No, they talk sorry. How's it go?
Thank you. I appreciate you for everything. Everything that you've done.
Make we come off for you.
Can I?
Yeah.
Thank you.
evasive?
Hmm?
Why have you been so evasive?
Pino. You're welcome, yeah? And make I bring something where you could drink first. Ah? Huh? They come. I will come answer this your question. Come be good. Ah? Huh? You're welcome. You're welcome. Aha. You are. Her Royal Highness.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Don't mention. Pino. Now where I don't sit down. You know, say that word where you speak. As I go kitchen, self, I go think them. You don't they make me the sweat, self. What do you call them again?
I said, why have you been evasive towards me? Yes.
Evasive.
Why have you been avoiding me?
Wanya, ichi boom. Eh? Chimo. I don't the sweat. The one that say, which kind English be this? What do you call them again?
Evasive.
Evasive. Now avoiding you, they talk. You know, say I no go school now. If you want to follow me talk, you go come down to my level. Back to your question. Pino, you remember that time where you tell me, say, I no reach your level? Say, I no even reach to stand for your front. Remember what I tell you? I tell you, say, I no go come your front again until I don't reach to stand for your front. Huh?
I'm so ashamed of myself right now.
Back again.
I feel so embarrassed. What I did was very wrong. That was stupid of me.
No.
Please forgive me.
No, come on. Stop that thing. Get it in, Akodifa. What are you they talk?
Sincerely, I'm sorry. That was wrong.
Pino. With all due respect, shut up. Honey. Nwanyama, shut up, because shut up your sweet mouth. Huh? Don't say that now. You see this thing where they talk, say it was stupid of you to do. That talk where you talk, huh? Now that talk motivates me to become who I be today. I tell myself that time, say, hi! This girl look me finish, talk to me like this. I can't follow my guy, they talk, say, you see this money, I go make am, and I go marry you. I tell her, I talk her. I can't put head. I can't begin the hustle. They put hand for all kind of business. When a good business, so I know they put hand for dirty business because it no go work for me. Yeah? I can't they put hand everywhere. They put hand. They gather money. They save money. Can't reach one time. I can't meet some guys. They into importing and exporting. I follow them talk. Say I want to join this their importing business. They can't tell me waiting the inside them. I go need money. I can't save money. The money where I save that I no reach. I got sell one land. The only thing where my papa leave for me for village, that land, I go sell am. The money can't reach. I can't join these guys, them start the import. I import 1, 2, as the goods they come, that's how I sell am sharp. As they enter, I sell am. Now these guys can't see, say, the boy bad. The boy, he too much. They can't believe the boy. Now so, anyone will enter, I go sell am. Anyone will enter, I go sell am. And so I just they say the goods like that, you know.
And just like that.
And just like that. Look at me today. Just like that, I don't establish. I get different establishments for everywhere. Like this now for markets. Now maybe the biggest distributor. Any goods where they find, if I don't get them, you know go see them anywhere. You know what?
Wow. That's impressive.
Thank you.
Sincerely speaking, I am really proud of the man that you have become.
Darling them. Darling.
Congratulations.
Darling. Thank you.
Once again, I'm sorry.
Pino. Asampete. Stop this thing where you did do. No, they apologize now. Now me suppose even they tell you thank you. Because of you I be the person where I be today. I don't tell you this thing before. Huh? So now my story be that. I don't answer you, part of your question at least.
Yeah.
So make I ask you my own question now.
Really? You have a question for me?
Oh, it isn't only you get question.
Okay, what could that be?
Shoot. And now you come. You get what I want to know. How we be say as you dey like this? Very beautiful. My color. Ochakoroma. Up now. Everything where they look for in a woman, you get them. But you can't carry yourself, give man. You just carry yourself, depend on man. Man. Why? Pino. Huh? Adam.
Where do I start?
Start anywhere, my sister. Please, start.
I come from a very poor background. I am from a poor home. And after I graduated from school, I met this guy, Kings. He flashed a lot of money in my face. And he basically said that he was going to give me everything that I ever wanted. And there was no point to work or do anything for myself. Coming from the background that I came from, I gave into it. I followed him. And I had to live my life solely on his own terms. Because he was my sole provider. I didn't know better.
That's a touching story. Very touching. Pino. I want to tell you something. I beg, if you never learn anything from me, since when you don't sabi me rich now, this thing what I want to tell you now, make it just sink in. Don't forget them for your life. Huh? You see, any man we go come into your life, he no go show you road, or he no go support you to become something meaningful in life. You no supposed to that man life, and that man no supposed to your life. Now waste of time.
Yeah, I know better now. I had to learn that, even though I had to learn the hard way.
A good say you know better. Know better. And out. Know better. But on a more serious note, no let anybody tell you say you know if you become within you know say you won't become. Anything where you won't become for this life, you feel become. Just believe. And out.
Thank you.
Don't mention. Wanyam. Pinam. Pinam. Make I give you one or two orientation.
Okay.
When it comes to market. You know what? As proper Igbo man, na abomination, big abomination, make customer enter your shop, come out, you know, buy something. Hi. God forbid. They go flog you, mbano. Ademe, don't know they do that kind of thing. Say customer enter your shop. Lie. You go hold on for trouser. I know me say you go hold on for trouser. No, I don't mean that. But you know go green and come out now. Now for mouth, you see this your mouth. You go wind them well. Make sure say them collect something. Even if na pant, they must collect. If you don't get within they find for your shop, go your neighbor shop, go collect them, carry and come give them. But never ever you allow them come out to your shop, say they no collect something. You no collect money for their hand. Tire, na abomination. You know what? you must treat your customer right. Because one customer where you get, where you treat well, you go bring him brother and his sister come. Now so you build your customers. You understand?
Yeah, that makes sense.
What do I come in?
I see how you were able to convince that lady to buy something that she didn't even need.
Now so it happen. You don't no be today matter. You go wind them now for mouth. They go buy waiting they no even plan to buy.
Yes!
And the business orientation be that, my love.
Thank you. Oh my God, I don't know how you do it, right? I really don't know how you do it. But the fact that you are successful, you're wealthy, and you still keep your shop, you still go to your business, that is very commendable.
Assam Peter. You see, the fact say I don't make money now, no means say I go forget my cosmetic shop where I you start. Because anything where I be today, now from that cosmetic shop, now you take start. They call them humble beginnings. All the market orientation where I sabi, now from there, now for streets we learn. You understand? So for the fact say God don't bless me now, my shop go still stand. If I know they there, person they there. I will go with boys now. Boys they there. You know what? Now this same thing now why they tell you about customers. Because people there when they crazy so it go be like say they don't smoke, you walk on the shop. They go come with different mental problem.
Oh, my shop.
No, I they tell you, then they. But you as a businesswoman, you go know as you go take handle them. Now that money where they their pockets, now you define. You know what? That's what it be.
Thank you so much for your advice.
It's okay.
I don't know. I know I don't get to say this often, but I just want you to know that I am very proud of you. I'm proud of the man you've become. And I am so happy to have you in my life. And I'm grateful for everything that you teach me. I'm learning a lot from you.
And that's why I will continue to teach you. As I teach you, you they learn from me. Me self, I they learn from you. But you don't know. Yes? All this your big grammar way they speak. You don't know how they learn from them. The other day, you say na evasive. You don't know as I picked that one. I don't store down for this library. Huh? Everywhere where I go, I just the evasive. I evasive everybody, you know.
Thank you.
You said thank you. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
You see, the fact that I don't become big man, a real businessman doesn't mean that I will abandon my business. Huh?
You said so.
It's just right now, a different strategy now we go to use to follow the business.
That makes sense.
Now, you're doing well.
You're doing well. You are doing well. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oopsie.
What is it? Nowadays you're always smiling every time. It's our guy. What has he done this time around?
And who said my smiles has got anything to do with Nonso?
Since this guy came into your life, everything has just changed. Your life has taken shape. You're so happy. Wait, you guys even left the studio and you never cared about your friend.
My friendship. Sorry. No vex.
Anyway, I understand you guys were carried away. Anyway, me,
Girl.
I'll just sit back and watch.
You know, I haven't seen this guy since the first time. And seeing him just was so overwhelming. I'm sorry. You're my friendship now. You know, we're together to the end. You know, there are certain people that will come into your life and leave memorable footprints.
Yeah.
And then there's the other set of people that would come in and leave really bad scars.
The king said.
King's really scarred me. He did a number on me, my life. But when Nonso's footprint came into the picture, it completely blotted out every scar that King's left in my life. Like, sometimes I try to remember the bad times, the bad things, the hurts that Kings did to my life, and I can't find them. Because Nonso came in and made me truly happy.
Oh.
In case you're wondering, is my friend happy? Let this be your assurance. I'm very happy. I'm grateful to God for bringing Nonso to my life.
I know.
He has made me so happy.
So, when do you think he's gonna ask the question? Because, I mean, this guy has been a little bit withdrawn, but he's just doing everything. He's giving everything you want, but he's not saying a word. I'm surprised.
Yeah, I actually thought about that too. I can't wait for the day he will pop the question.
So, are you gonna wait for the day or you're gonna bring the day?
What are you saying? Are you implying that I ask him to marry me?
No, I'm not asking you to propose. I'm just trying to make you remember what this guy said. He said that you will be the one to ask him to marry you. So, girl, if you wanna play your games, you will play the games forever, and he's not going to say anything.
There's no way in the world I'm going to propose to a man. That would just be giving desperation. I'm not desperate.
Desperate times calls for desperate measures. And yo, this guy is cool, like he's rich, he's kind. Every woman would want to have him. So girl, use your brains.
Yeah, he's fine.
It's not that, Sheila. Sheila!
Oh, Kings! What are you doing here?
I came for shopping, of course.
Oh, okay, I'm done shopping, so I'll just head out.
So how is he?
He? Oh, you mean my Odogu? Oh, he's doing well. He's very well.
Sheila, I'm sorry. I know I messed up to you big time.
Oh, no, you didn't mess up. Oh, no, not at all. You didn't mess up. You actually positioned me for a blessing. Actually, you put me in a position to find a real man. A man who has done nothing but love me from his heart and respects me without me even having to ask for it. So yeah, you did well for me. Thank you.
Are you sure it's gonna get married to you?
That's our concern, right? Yeah, I'm sure that's our business. Wait, how's that girl? The one you picked over me? The one you engaged?
We broke up.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. You see, as a foolish person, you get to lose it all. That's life for you. Why don't you have a good day? Run along. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What are all this? Social media today.
Sheila, you won't believe this.
What?
There is an update. Promise you, you're gonna like it.
What happened? Update.
Yeah.
What? Hit me.
So, I just learned that tomorrow is Nonso's birthday.
Wait, what? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Nonso's birthday?
Yeah.
Oh, how come no one said anything about that?
Oh, please. Girl, you need to know this. If this guy literally goes to the extent of knowing everything about you, you should also do the same. Babe, love is give and take. And if he cares for you, you're supposed to do that as well.
Oh my God. You know, this guy is strange. He's always acting strange. I don't even know. I wish someone had said something earlier so that I could have enough time to plan something really nice for him.
Now that you know, plan something.
I mean, given such short notice, what can I really come up with? But how did you find out about this information?
Are you the only one that wants to be with a rich guy? Of course, you know, also trying to get close to Ikenna.
Oh, wow. No, you're not.
Oh, please don't laugh.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, spill. Tell me all about it.
You know, I also want an intentional man, a real man, not someone like Kings.
Oh, no, never someone like Kings. We can't even wish that for our enemy.
And I believe that Ikenna is a good guy. And the fact that he hangs out with, you know, your guys, so he's probably instilled some good characters in him.
Yeah, I know, right? Birds of the same feather flock together.
Of course, he may not be as rich as your guy, but not that poor, you know?
No, not at all. Look, girl, whatever makes you happy, you have my support.
Oh, that is so sweet.
Girl, you deserve the very best. You've been a good friend.
So back to the business. What are the plans for the birthday?
Everybody's got a day when the sun stays away. The weeping endures for a night. Joy comes right in the morning. Someday you will realize you're no longer in my mind. I've gotta move on. I've gotta be strong. I've gotta dream before my eyes. You're trying to pull me down. You're trying to make me frown. But baby, here's the gist. Whatever goes around comes around and goes back again. Whatever goes around comes around and goes back yeah. Whatever goes up surely comes down someday. Surely comes down someday, yeah. Whatever goes around comes around and goes back again. Goes back again, yeah. Whatever goes up surely comes down someday. You talk, say I'm a dreamer, and you talk, say I'm a good maker. You talk, say all the things that they do, all the things that they see, not for losers. You forget, say you know the lure. When my time don't reach, I go make 'em. But I got just one thing to live with you. Whatever goes around comes around and goes back again. Whatever goes out comes down someday. Surely comes down someday. Whatever goes around comes, whatever goes around.
No, so? Now you carry those. No, check on
man of the moment. Happy birthday to...
That's what I call it. It's only fun.
Well, happy birthday to the man of the moment. Happy birthday. Nonso Oyememe.
It's not good.
Oh, I said it wrong.
Talk him again.
I said, happy birthday, Nonso Oyememe.
Onye mmemme ihe o kwuru ka ọ na-eme. Say it.
Okay. Happy birthday, Nonso Oyememe.
Get that kid.
Happy birthday to a good man with a good heart. A man with a heart of gold. This man right here came into my life and did a total overhaul. Look at me now. And for that, I am very grateful. I mean, considering the fact that our first meeting and how I treated you was just so inhumane. But instead, he paid back my meanness with love and goodness. And for that, I am very grateful. And I don't want to miss an opportunity in life to not do life with you. And it's funny, but I want to assume the place of wife in your life. And for this reason, I have come to ask. I want you to marry me. Please say yes. Yes. Please marry me. I can't think of a life without you. I can't even risk you now asking me. So I'm taking the chance and asking that you be my man.
Yeah. Pilopinam. Asampetem. Again now. Up now. You know, say, one of the greatest assets with any man he get for in life, na the woman when choose to marry. That is why him go respect a woman and treat them with the highest what's in they call that? Prestige.
Prestige.
English, eh?
No, you're doing good.
You're
good. You're doing good.
He's well. Aha, as I was saying. You get ring what I buy for you. Look at me on
Okay.
Just listen. Don't say anything. Oh,
okay.
Good girl. The ring what I buy for you. No be any ring. Now ring will be say, if you put down for your hand, anybody will see that ring for your hand. They go no say, onye meme don't enter your life. You know what? No be ring where you go see for market. You can now.
Onye mmemme.
Okay, go see.
I want for you. Now we day here now.
This ring where you give me, I go keep him. As a symbol of love and respect from you to me.
Okay.
Ikenna.
One mmemme na-emesi ike.
Enemy far. It's only far now. Ah, Yakata.
Oh my God.
Onye a na-ekwu maka ya nwere ife ọ na-eme.
Pino. This ring where you see now, I buy am for Kuwait when I travel for one of my business trip. A very, very expensive jewel you see so. For my very priceless jam. Shina jam did they call it?
Did I say my jam did they call it?
Jam.
It's jam, but it's okay.
Jam.
Yes, I understand.
I don't know jam, we know now. You're a babe.
Oh my God, I can't believe you bought me a ring. It's so beautiful. I didn't know you were making plans to marry me.
Pino, from the first day where I see you, waiting I tell you. I tell you, say na me go marry you. But you don't believe me. Huh? Now I don't clear for your eye. Have you?
Yeah.
You don't clear.
It's all right. It's all right. Now, as a proper traditional Igbo man, I'm not supposed to do this thing what I want to do now.
Okay.
But because I love you and I respect you so much, I ain't gonna make me do it. Pino. Up now. Make I put them inside here. I be make I no put them.
Put them.
What's again?
Put it.
Yes, again. No, talk as you talk on that
I
time.
said put them.
Oh, come
Baby, wait. Oh my love.
I sound pretty one, your mom. Pino. I love you.
I love you more. I love you more than you know.
Are you sure? Yeah, not too good. Not too good.